Cow, dear Mrs. Cow, I'd like to thank you for all that you produce. Today my teacher has taught us all about your body working hard all day long. You give us milk and milk caramel and the butter that I always eat with bread. You give us cheese that helps us grow and the yogurt for my brother. Dear Mrs. Cow, you do know how to work. You give us milk and milk caramel and the butter that I always eat with bread. You give us cheese that helps us grow and the yogurt for my brother. Dear Mrs. Cow, you do know how to work. Moo, 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 moo. Dear Mrs. Cow, dear Mrs. Cow, when on the farm I see you slowly walking by, I blow a kiss at your baby calves, as I have learned that you are a very good mama. You give us milk and milk caramel and the butter that I always eat with bread. You give us cheese that helps us grow and the yogurt for my brother. Dear Mrs. Cow, you do know how to work. You give us milk and milk caramel and the butter that I always eat with bread. You give us cheese that helps us grow and the yogurt for my brother. Dear Mrs. Cow, you do know how to work. Lola the cow, Lola the cow, she has a tail, makes a funny sound. Lola the cow, Lola the cow, she has a tail, makes a funny sound. She goes moo. Lola the cow, Lola the cow, she has a tail, makes a funny sound. Lola the cow, Lola the cow, she has a tail, makes a funny sound. She goes moo. Lola the cow, Lola the cow, she has a tail, makes a funny sound. Lola the